Congrats, Samir, for your success.
Thank you, sir.
What's your education and where are you from?
I am from Mongol, sir.
Okay.
I have studied my BTech in Rice College.
Okay.
I am from 2020 year passed out.
Okay. How you got this BRN?
One of my sister friend, she's taken training from this company, sir.
Okay.
She got job in a good company.
Okay.
So I have inquired her.
Okay.
I want to be a developer.
Okay.
So can you give me any suggestions?
Okay.
She suggested me
Okay.
try to join in this company. You
Okay.
can get better future for you.
Okay.
So I have yes, sir.
Okay.
With her guidance, I came here.
Okay.
And, yes.
Okay. So how is 4 months of journey with BRN?
It's beautiful, sir. Actually.
Okay.
Yes. It's a beautiful environment to explore ourselves.
Okay.
And, you have given a great time to learn so much things.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You have given a great guidelines for us to
Okay.
improve ourselves.
Okay. First day of summit till today, what kind of difference you have been observed technical side?
Yes, sir. In BTech, I am lack in technical skills, sir.
Okay.
I thought like that I want to improve myself in technical way.
Okay.
So I want to take training in
Okay.
any company.
Okay.
So I can lead myself very well.
Okay.
So I decided to join in BRN.
Okay.
Right now I am very well, sir.
Okay. How many companies that you got selected?
4 companies I got selected, sir.
Okay. Have you ever expected in 4 months of training that you will get selected in 4 companies? Have you ever expected this success?
No, sir. I thought like that I can selected in 1 or 2 companies.
Okay.
But I selected in 4 companies, sir.
Okay. How do you feel now?
Yes, sir. I am very happy.
Okay. What is the difference between normal trainings and BRN INFOTECH training?
Normal training means it's like a 1 or 2 hours classes and
Okay.
they will leave, sir.
Okay.
But in the BRN it's not like that, sir.
Okay.
If we got any doubts at any time, they will clarify very well.
Okay.
And they will provide a good time for us.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many hours of training every day?
8 hours, sir.
Okay.
Not only 8 hours. Just for saying purpose only, it is 8 hours.
Okay.
But we can learn. We can be practice here in 12 hours, 11 hours.
Okay.
So our patience.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Before joining BRN, you might have seen lot of success videos.
Yes.
Now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
Yeah, I'm very happy, sir.
Oh, okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
Anybody want to be in a good position in your life, like a developer, my suggestion is to come to BRN and take a bright future for your life.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.